Alright, in this video, I'm gonna show you ways that you can actually make money with ChatGPT, and I'm gonna do that by explaining these side hustles, but how normal people can implement them, how us normal people can do them. What up, it's Rico, and I wanna give you real, practical, relatable ways that we can all do different side hustles. So make sure you subscribe for more. Now, you know me, bro, I've been preaching for a while, like, hey, we should not be using ChatGPT as some just magic tool that's gonna make us money by itself. Instead, we should think of ChatGPT as something to make us superhuman, something to accelerate things that we're already doing. And if you're not already doing those things, then think of it as an opportunity to learn some of those things. So make sure you watch to the end, because in this video, I'm gonna do things a little different. I'm gonna list out these side hustles. I'm gonna first tell you what 90% of YouTubers, people don't tell you about these side hustles to make it work. And then we're gonna show you how to do it with ChatGPT. Let's jump on the computer. All right, so the first thing that we are gonna experiment with is affiliate marketing. Now this is one of the main things I see ChatGPT used for, and I just wanna walk you through it and show you once again what us normal people could do to make this work, right? So first of all, if you don't know what affiliate marketing is, affiliate marketing is defined as a marketing arrangement by which an online retailer pays commission to an external website for traffic or sales generated from its referrals. So what that means is that, hey, if I sell cameras, right, and I say, hey, you viewer that's watching this right now, you go online, I'm gonna give you a unique link. Anybody that buys my product off of your link, I'll pay you 10% or whatever the percent is. That's affiliate marketing in a nutshell. Now, I'm gonna tell you the main thing that you need to make affiliate marketing work is gonna be traffic, right? So this is how you can use AI and ChatGPT to accelerate the affiliate marketing business, and especially if you're a beginner, right? Because one of the first things I would want to know at least is, hey, what are the top selling products online, right? And it's gonna tell me. All right, so after I gather that information, I say, okay, boom, electronics, clothing, fashion. Electronic piques my interest, right? So I can say, what are the top selling electronics, and just see what that tells me. And so now I see, boom, smartphones, laptops, tablets, smartwatches, headphones, things like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and pick headphones. I'm gonna pick headphones. Headphones is something that a lot of people use or whatnot. So now I would say, can you write me a blog post about the top 10 or top 5 best headphones right now? Okay, boom, and it's gonna write this blog post out for me. All right, boom. So now you have a blog post that you could use, and it lists out the top 5. So what ChatGPT has done at this point, just in your affiliate marketing journey, is it's kind of done some market research for you that would honestly take you some time. It would take you some time to write this. It would take you some time to write this well, right? So you see, we've done this all in about a couple minutes, right? So the very next thing you would do, you would go to Amazon affiliates, right? Now, what Amazon affiliates does is literally it pays you a commission for sales that you make, which brings me to the part that I want to keep it real about. You would sign up for a free, this is free. Anybody can sign up to be an Amazon affiliate. This is my back end. This is my dashboard. You would sign into this, and then you would go to Amazon.com, because what you need to do is get a link for each product that's listed, right? So all these products that they told us, we need a link if it's on Amazon, right? Because if we're gonna make that into a blog post, an article, or whatever the case may be, then we need a link for it, right? So I'm gonna come over here, and I'm gonna do this one first. Do they have the 35? They have the cushion kit. They have this. So I'm gonna get, you know what? I'm gonna get a link, and you're gonna select this new site Stripe thing, and this is actually new to me. And then boom, I'm gonna get that link, okay? And I'm gonna come over, and you know, I'm gonna start building my article, right? And I'm gonna show y'all a couple different ways I would do this, because here's the main thing. I'm gonna go ahead and lay it out to y'all right now. Without traffic, bro, see, it's easy for a YouTuber or somebody like me to just say, hey, have AI create some script for you, have it create an article, and just throw it up there, and people are gonna click it, because that's our reality. But that's not gonna be your reality. So I'm doing this from the perspective of somebody who doesn't have that traffic and has to go get it, right? So you got to go on articles like Medium. All right, now I'm logged into Medium, so I'm gonna go ahead and paste my text in, and I'm also gonna tell you this. I don't ever really recommend you just take AI generated text and just throw it in there. And we're gonna talk about that title later as well. But I'm gonna come in here. All right, so I'm gonna paste this whole entire thing in here, and then we're gonna look for each product and do the same thing. All right, and so I've got all these links put in here. And all right, so if you wanted to, you could come in here and paste images in, but for the sake of this video, we're not gonna do that. So I'm just gonna come over here and I'm gonna do, this is what I would do to get some traffic, right? Because once again, if you don't have an audience, how is affiliate marketing gonna work for you? And you gotta go get it, right? So make no mistake, and I'm gonna always say this, bro. There's a lot of people on YouTube that'll try to tell you, oh, this can't work for this reason. And there's a lot of people that'll just blindly tell you that something will work. But here's the reality about all this stuff, bro. It's all dependent on you and your individual hustle. I know a guy who doesn't have a single subscriber who makes thousands a month off of affiliate marketing because he leverages things that I'm about to show you. Facebook group, blog posts, and there's a new strategy I've seen, but we're about to get into that. So what I would do first is say, okay, what would people that would be searching this search for, right? So I would put best headphones 2023, right? And that's, make no mistake, that's a pretty competitive keyword. However, like you see this, whoever created this article, I'm sure is getting a pretty affiliate deal from all these type of, from all these different suppliers, Amazon, Best Buy, Target. And this is a company like CNET, so they wouldn't really be who we'd use. I'm just showing you an example of somebody that's doing this same thing that I'm trying to tell you. You would kind of find a keyword, right? And you could even search on the side over here. I use a Chrome extension called Keywords Everywhere. Best audiophile headphones, best over-ear headphones, best headphones for gaming. So you could even like take these and go into the ChatGPT and kind of ask it, what are the best headphones for working out, and do this same process. But I would title this best headphones of 2023, and then boom, I would publish that. Of course, if it's more dressed up, if it looks a little better, right? So as far as how to get traffic to those for the normal person, you could go Facebook groups. All right, so you could go to different groups, and you can go to, like, let's go Amazon deals. You could join a group like Amazon Steals and Deals, because here's the logic. A lot of places are going to frown upon you just going in there and posting their links. That's why I'm never gonna, like, it's rare that I'm gonna suggest you do the affiliate marketing through Reddit. I'm never gonna suggest you do it that way, simply because, bro, a lot of Reddit communities kind of require you to give value, right? And they don't really like people coming in there and dropping their links and stuff like that. So that's why I'm not gonna suggest that you do that. But something like this is literally designed for people to put Amazon deals and stuff like that. And so with you putting your article in here, it kind of dresses it up nicer and makes it look like, okay, boom, this is a real article. Let me check this article out. And if I'm interested in headphones, then let's check it. Another thing I would do, I would go straight to the consumer by using a tool called TweetDeck. I used to do this all the time, bro. Like, boom, so you got my Twitter. Okay, I'm gonna import my columns. All right, so what I would do is I would use a tool called TweetDeck, right? And what TweetDeck does is literally allow you to search actual text in real-time tweets. So what I would do is I would come over here and I would search for I need headphones. Boom. This is literally people tweeting out 16 seconds ago, yo, I need headphones. I just want to use them and listen to I like to go by ASAP, but boom. But you could literally sift through this, right? Boom. I need new headphones, right? Just kind of send them your article and say, hey, bro, I just created an article about the best headphones out right now, bro, and just maybe send these people messages. Maybe you don't spam and just mention them all or whatever, but like you come from an angle where you come across human and that you're really concerned, bro. I've kind of made, like, when I was selling artwork, bro, I was kind of doing this a lot, bro. So this is some sauce that I do not see a lot. So if y'all take it off and run with it, please give your boy his credit. All right, so the next way that I've seen people kind of preach affiliate marketing, and I'm gonna go ahead and kind of vouch for it as far as from the angle of somebody who does not already have an audience, who does not already have traffic, is simply because this, bro, Quora is one of those search engines, bro, that's kind of powerful. It's not quite Google, but it's still a pretty powerful search engine. So what I would say is this: if you could post questions or even create posts that answer questions that people ask, then hey, then I can see this, then you're gonna get a certain level of traffic to this post, and then boom, with maybe your affiliate links, right? So I could take my whole Medium post, put it in here, right? And then post it, right? So affiliate marketing can definitely work in that regard. So what ChatGPT has done as far as with affiliate marketing and how you can use it to become superhuman, bro, you can use it to do some pretty valuable market research, get a little bit more specific per category, then write you out a blog post, some pretty good copy on everything you need to go ahead with affiliate marketing, bro. So I got another video where I go more in depth on the Mid-Journey AI part. Meet me over in that video, Rico Gang. I love y'all. Let's get it.